it's the US who's imposing the tariffs. So if you're gonna look at the charts, actually, we have a bloody Monday. So if you're gonna look at today, somehow the US dollar was able to rebound to the previous breakpoint level. When I say breakpoint level, this is a previous support that was broken down, and it is currently pulling back or rebounding at the 103.373 level. So this is a natural response from the market since we had a strong downside move. So naturally, if there is a downside move, strong downside move, we're looking for a bounce on that level. So if you're gonna look at the lower time frames, we're reacting at this fair value gap. So I already outlined this. I'm not sure if I already posted it in our website in acy.com, but basically, what I'm seeing with the dollar is potential reactions on this first fair value gap, and on the extreme point is this one. So if we're gonna look at a more downside with the dollar, we want to have a reaction on this level.